when different states of America are affected by severe cold. At the same time, Chile was devastated by wildfires. Wildfires in Chile have already destroyed more than 45,000 hectares in the center and south of the country. At least 23 people have died in connection to the fires, and at least 979 people have been reported injured by the raging fires, including 16 in serious condition. According to Interior Minister Carolina Toha, the death toll is likely to rise, as Toha said there are unconfirmed reports of at least 10 people missing. The evolution of climate change shows us again and again that this has a centrality and a capacity to cause an impact that we have to internalize much more. Chile is one of the countries with the highest vulnerability to climate change, and this isn't theory but rather practical experience. We're requesting support from several countries to address the emergency, President Gabriel Boric wrote on social media. His government declared a state of emergency in the two regions of Biobio and Nuble. The fires took hold as temperatures surged across the country, and hundreds of homes have been damaged. At a news conference in the capital, Santiago, Interior Minister Carolina Toha told reporters, "Currently the weather conditions are getting worse. The fire is spreading everywhere, making it difficult to put it out." Officials told that the governments of Spain, the United States, Argentina, Ecuador, Brazil and Venezuela have offered help, including planes and firefighters. National Forestry Agency CONAF reported on Saturday that 80 of 231 total wildfires are being actively battled, while 151 of them are under control. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news.